Touch is an essential part of wholeness and love. From studies, we know that without touch, babies cannot thrive. We know from other studies that a mother's touch can relieve pain in children. Touch can be a sign of affection and or a non-verbal communication to another. Have you hugged someone today? You're craving connection. And whatever you're seeing is connected to connection. Okay, so let's go here and see how you're gonna get it. This kid is like, why you stop petting me? Okay. Don't stop petting Biscuit. Okay, so you're making a connection here. With understanding this is how you are restoring innocence. Doing your part in your mission. This part for the planet, this place. The Six of Fire. With the Seer of Water. And this full moon. What is being seen? What is being illuminated with this full moon? Look, it's the Five of Swords. It's the conflict within the air. So the conflict within the air is being illuminated, and it's being illuminated for transformation. So the conflict is actually transforming here with what you're seeing within the void, within the 13 spheres. And here with the Seer of Water, there's a release. Like this is how it's happening. The emotions are transforming. And there's a blossoming here with healing with the Father, with healing with the fire, and forward movements. But it's after this release. Like this is where your soul cries and you shift dimensions. Wings spread in appreciation for all that has blossomed. From the planted seed, you rise above the muddy waters, head lifted to the light. Your sense of what is possible has expanded through your trials. Ain't that the truth? It's like through these trials, you now have a new sense of what is possible with your manifestations and understanding your mission and understanding why you're here and understanding what a starseed twin flame is. Your accomplishments and your ability to detach yourself from any need to be acknowledged or admired. With newfound humility, you have managed to cultivate and restore balance between effort and ease, dark and light. Through intentional action, you emerge from your experience in the ascending shape of your true passion. The climb is heady, but material success is fleeting. You remember that anything of true value lives within the sacred garden of your heart. like, you're being called to go within, in the sacred garden of your heart, to now expand, because this is like dark night of the soul shit. This is falling down the rabbit hole and not liking what you see. These are being able to be a sacred enough container to hold the evil truths of this world, the true truths of what this world, and expand with Christ consciousness, expand with the light, expand what is positive. But it starts with the thought. It's the thought, the elements of air, what is unseen, this unseen world that is creating this world with what is seen. And you're being asked to go within your heart with what you've seen, and to recalibrate now with nature and this loving touch that you are craving, as you are recalibrating yourself back to innocence within yourself from everything that you have experienced without yourself, and the knowledge that has been gained, because you've gained you have a whole newfound appreciation. So this is appreciation. Fire, the south, heron, and flower. I rise up in appreciation for the gifts that bloom within the sacred garden of your hearts. I know this is a difficult time, but we're all going to get through it as one with the collective. And I look forward to seeing you next time we expand. We're going to get into the alchemy of the soul, alchemy of souls, understanding the harvesting of souls, and this Pisces new moon manifestation messages. I look forward to seeing you there. Until then, much love.